in this tutorial I will show you sponge tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image which I have collected from Pixabay. I have made 2 copies of this so that you can see before and after of the sponge tool. So sponge tool is located here under the dodge and burn tool, and shortcut is O, so I am accessing it. Sponge tool, if you want to change the color, intensity of the color in certain part of the image, then you can use sponge tool. So sponge tool changes the color saturation of areas in an image. So it changes the intensity of the color of an image. How? You can use any of the brush and you can adjust any size and hardness. So I am using soft round brush here, and here is 2 more to use sponge tool. So this is desaturate mode. If you want to desaturate, reduce the intensity of color in an area of the image, you can use desaturate, or you can increase the intensity of color, then you can use saturate mode. Also here is flow, you can adjust it 100%, 1 to 100%. Now I am using it to 50%. So first of all, I would like to desaturate few points. I am using left square bracket to change the brush size, make it smaller. So desaturated mode, flow 50%, and this is vibrance. Vibrance is, if you uncheck it, it will work, sponge tool work only saturation, but if you checked it, sponge tool work both saturation and vibrate the area, vibrate the colors. So I am desaturated mode. I would like to desaturate these branches of the tree. Okay, you can see it looks like more better than before, as these branches, you can see I can easily desaturate these branches. Okay, so that was before and that was after desaturating it. Also now I want to saturate mode and also vibrant. I am making the brush size little more larger, so I am saturating these areas, just these areas little bit here, and this is the area little bit. So that was the before and that was the after using sponge tool inside Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you got this tool. This is a straightforward tool. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.